Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to another Market Monday. Today I have a Stamperia Christmas kit. So we have some stencils here and some wooden cutouts. These are wooden shapes and they're in the pastel pinks for Christmas. And these are all already cut out. You just pop them out of the wood. And so we've got those different pictures there, and those are about 1/8 of an inch thick wood. So, and then we have this, it's called Decorative Chips by Stamperia, and this is, like you could put this on the front of a 6x6 card. It's 5.5 by 5.5. But also, if you wanted, you could use it as a stencil with sprays. It's a little thick. It's kind of like chipboard, like what a cereal box is made out of. And so it's kind of like a thin, very thin chipboard. But if you spray like reds and whatever color you're using for your Christmas this year, you could spray that onto some cards or backgrounds. And then when you're done, then it's already colored and use it for the front of a Christmas card. So, and then we have these wood shapes. Again, they're about 1/8 of an inch thick, and they are already cut out for your Christmas projects. And so this is what these look like. It says, "Just believe in your dreams." And then we have these Christmas cutouts here. I like how they use the different colors, the blues and the pinks, and red and green is not my favorite for Christmas colors. Mostly I think because I don't really care for red. But so, and then we have pretty much standard Christmas colors on this one, and it says, "It's a magical time." And again, this is the wooden cutouts. And then we have what we call letter size, but it's a little bit, it's not 8.5 by 11. It's 8 1/4. And I believe, like measuring the whole package, it looks like it's 11 3/4, but I don't think it's that big. I think, here, let's take one out. I believe, well, I'm not going to take it out, but it's 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. So, and I think that this is like European letter size. So we have this one here that looks like this. Sorry about the glare. So, and then again, they're nice and large sizes, but you don't have to use the whole stencil. You can just use bits and pieces of it. This one says "My Winter Journal" on it, but you also can use only parts of those words. And then we have this one here that has a couple of borders and a couple more borders and a couple corners. And then it says, "With love, for you, and best wishes," again with all of the different fancy borders. Then we have this Christmas one that says, "Merry Christmas, best time, warm memories, family treasures, and sweet moments," with all the different baubles on there, Christmas ornaments. And most of those, other than "Merry Christmas," those could all be used for other times, when babies are born, birthdays, all sorts of things. You can use those for other than just Christmas. And then we have the Advent calendar with all of the 1 through 25. And then it says Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Advent calendar. And then we've got the Merry Christmas for the 25th, and then the other, all of the different numbers on there. So those are the 4 stencils. And again, those are like approximately letter size, a little bit different than our letter size. And then we have the wooden cutouts and the decorative chips is what they call that. So these will go in a bubble wrap envelope. So if you're interested, just send me an email. My email address will be below. This kit is $25 shipped, and so that includes the shipping. And I will let you know if I have any left. I have 10 kits today, so if I have any left, I'll let you know. And then if you could pay as promptly as possible, I would appreciate that. So thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully I got this out in time for you to be able to get your Christmas cards and stuff going. So thanks again, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.